Okay, let's learn leading out into the blue.
Okay. So you do, well, I guess this will be easier. So you do that except instead, well, no, just do it the way you've been doing it actually. This way. Well, except that's the G, you do this that way. There. Yeah. Yeah, and then you move it. Sometimes you move it up. Remember we said
Oh, yeah.
and then the third dot you move it to. Yep. Wait, let's go over here. Okay. And then try to move this one a little bit further.